Thank you very much. Well, it seems that many of you are from New York. Wow. Yeah. I really love New York. I went there a few times and I enjoyed my time in New York so much. Anyway, coming back to the talk today, I will invite you to examine Thailand's diplomatic role in Southeast Asia with an emphasis on policy strategies and regional cooperation. I will also discuss Thailand's role in the Middle East, focusing mainly on the UAE. The present government issued a policy statement saying that the government will transform geopolitical challenges between major international powers into strategies that enhance opportunities for Thailand and maximize the benefits for the Thai people. This is the policy statement that the Thai Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra gave to the National Assembly on September 12, 2024. And the thing is that the key elements of Thailand's foreign policy approach is that, first of all, we are not being part of international conflicts. Secondly, we conduct proactive economic diplomacy. And thirdly, we are now embarking on soft power. I can start by saying that Thailand is committed to building sincere and constructive relations with nations worldwide by promoting peace and shared prosperity at the same time, while ensuring stability and development in the region and beyond, right? And the economic front, on the economic front, Thailand is actively boosting trade, investment, and tourism, mainly by exploring new markets and advancing free trade agreement, FTA, to unlock further economic potential. And as part of our global ambitions, Thailand is enhancing our role on the international stage and pursuing the OECD membership to align with global best practices and ensure long-term national growth. And that's the thing that we are doing right now. And by doing that, we do that through our diplomatic missions network. Thailand's diplomatic network is vital in advancing the country's foreign policy objectives. This extensive network reflects Thailand's commitment to fostering international cooperation, promoting trade, and enhancing cultural exchange. And this network worldwide includes 66 embassies serving as key diplomatic hubs. This includes our embassy in Abu Dhabi, 29 consulate general, primarily focusing on consular missions, and 3 permanent missions to the United Nations, reinforcing Thailand's active participation in multilateral diplomacy. So we have permanent mission in New York, in Geneva, in Vienna. And also we have one trade and economic office. This one is in Taiwan, dedicated to expanding economic partnership in our key market. So these diplomatic missions are instrumental in nurturing strong bilateral ties and advancing Thailand's national interest. And when we say Thai embassy, we also have our team. We call this team Team Thailand. This Team Thailand is a coordinated network of Thai government offices and agencies working on specialized issues. For example, we have the Thai Trade Center under the Ministry of Commerce, promoting trade and investment, and we have the Thai Labor Office under the Ministry of Labor, overseeing labor affairs and workforce, mainly the labor relations. So both offices are represented in the UAE, reinforcing Thailand's comprehensive diplomatic presence. What about GCC? For GCC, there are Thai embassies in all of the 6 GCC countries and vice versa, implying strong diplomatic relations and mutual importance. And for UAE, Thailand maintains a strong presence with 2 key diplomatic offices, the Royal Thai Embassy in Abu Dhabi, which oversees political and diplomatic relations, and the Royal Thai Consulate General in Dubai, which provides consular services and strengthens trade and cultural ties. I just came back from the Thai Consulate General in Dubai. As I said, that I went there to open the training course in Dubai for the Thai masseuse and spa therapist. And we work very closely, the Thai Embassy, the Thai Consulate, and all the Team Thailand. And what is Thailand doing in Southeast Asia? I would say we position ourselves as a regional hub because our strategic location in the heart of Southeast Asia has historically made it a vital hub for trade, for culture, and diplomacy. And this central role has allowed Thailand to foster strong regional connections while maintaining our independence. So we have been relying on this idea for a long time that we position ourselves as a regional hub in Southeast Asia. And when we talk about Southeast Asia, we cannot ignore or overlook ASEAN. Thailand, as I said, that we have strategic locations, so we are balancing our relationship with our ASEAN nations. Thailand is a founding member of ASEAN. Therefore, we consistently played a vital role in promoting regional cooperation, economic integration, and conflict resolution. And Thailand acts as a stabilizing force by maintaining friendly ties with larger economies like Indonesia and emerging markets with high potential such as Vietnam, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar. And Thailand often bridges regional political differences by promoting dialogue and fostering consensus among ASEAN members. Thai diplomats, we are working very hard in balancing this. So this diplomatic balancing has been crucial in preserving ASEAN centrality amid regional tensions and external geopolitical influences. And talking about ASEAN, ASEAN is the cornerstone of our foreign affairs. So first of all, we need to have strong ties with ASEAN nations. Thailand has cultivated robust partnerships with key ASEAN nations to advance trade, investment, and political dialogue. So these relationships contribute significantly to regional economic growth and stability. And ASEAN has got big influence on regional diplomacy. Through our active participation in ASEAN initiatives, Thailand has helped shape diplomatic frameworks that encourage dialogue, cooperation, and peace building across Southeast Asia. We are seeing this in Myanmar and in certain parts as well. And with that, at the embassy levels, we try to create ASEAN committee in many places where there are ASEAN diplomatic missions. In Abu Dhabi, we have ASEAN committee in Abu Dhabi. So this is an example of our ASEAN cooperation abroad. And the ASEAN committee in Abu Dhabi brings together ASEAN diplomatic missions in the UAE to collectively promote ASEAN interests, foster economic cooperation, and strengthen diplomatic ties with the host country, with the UAE, mainly here. In Abu Dhabi, all ASEAN countries except Cambodia, Laos, PDR, and Myanmar. The rest, we have the embassies here, and we try to meet often. Right now, Brunei is the chair of ASEAN Committee in Abu Dhabi. I once was the chair, so this go by rotation. I guess after Brunei, it should be Indonesia. It should be Indonesia after Brunei. So everyone, every chair would take the lead for about 6 months to represent ASEAN with the UAE. So most of the time, the chairman would bring all other ambassadors to meet with the minister. We have this understanding with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs here that when we changed the chairmanship, we would meet once to review the relations between ASEAN and the UAE, and we have been doing that. But right now we are in Ramadan, so I guess that after Ramadan we would be pushing ahead with many agenda. Many of you might want to ask about Thailand's role in regional stability. We have the mediation role in regional disputes because we have actively engaged in diplomatic mediation, I think since the foundation of ASEAN, and that's the reason why ASEAN was founded as well. So we usually serve as a neutral facilitator in resolving tensions among Southeast Asian nations, such as the appointment of special envoys for Myanmar. And Thailand is actively involved in humanitarian efforts. Thailand has consistently supported humanitarian aid efforts in the region, responding to natural disasters and providing assistance to displaced communities there. So this we have been doing a lot since when I was young. I've seen this for a long time. What about our role in the Middle East? We are trying to strengthen diplomatic and economic relations. The Thai government strongly emphasizes fostering ties with key partners in the Middle East, with the UAE as well, because the UAE is ranked among the top 10 strategic partners. These partnerships are driven by the potential to enhance investment, business expansion, and mutual economic growth. For example, Thailand and the UAE have been negotiating a comprehensive economic partnership, CEPA, and we hope to reach an agreement soon. The UAE is Thailand's top trading partner in the Middle East, amounting to over $20 billion per year. This accounts for almost half of the total trade between Thailand and all Middle East countries. Therefore, the UAE is very important to Thailand. And after diplomatic and economic aspect, we promote cultural and education exchange. We have vibrant Thai community in the Middle East, and this Thai community plays an important role in strengthening people-to-people connections. Therefore, cultural diplomacy is a key strategy, with Thailand showcasing its rich heritage, our rich heritage, through cuisine, arts, and tourism initiatives. And we have identified 5 F pillars to push ahead with our cultural aspect. I'm not so sure if you are familiar with these 5 F things, but this 5 F is, one is food, second is fashion, third is film, fourth, festival, and fifth, fight. For example, the Thai festival in Abu Dhabi, as I mentioned earlier, is an annual event organized by the embassy to promote the 5 F, the 5 cultural pillars that we try to promote. Last month, the embassy successfully hosted this vibrant 2-day event at the Sheikha Fatima Park, which drew strong community engagement and positive feedback. And our promotion of the F food and F fight has been particularly successful in the UAE, with a large number of high-quality Thai restaurants operating across the country, and Muay Thai gaining significant popularity through gyms, training centers, sporting events. Notably, UAE Muay Thai and Kickboxing Federation, UAE Federation, has played a key role in promoting and developing Muay Thai in the UAE, further strengthening cultural ties between the two nations. And our focus here is also to ensure energy security and food supply. Thailand continues to support the region's food security by serving as a major exporter of agricultural products. We have collaborative efforts in sustainable energy development. This is underway to ensure that we have long-term cooperation and stability. Thailand is actively investing in the UAE's energy sector. PTT Middle East and Africa and PTT Exploration and Production collaborate with the UAE ADNOC and other partners on energy transformation and supporting the shift towards renewable energy and sustainable development. And I need to mention that Thailand is the second largest importer of energy from the UAE, second only to Japan. Therefore, Thailand relies on the UAE for energy security. And I think that this is the introduction for you. Perhaps we can have a rather informal discussion after this. So I open the floor for any questions in case you wish to ask me or you want to share your knowledge or experience with me. The floor is open.